Alright YouTube, this here's my tool bag. I do AC and refrigeration, so these are my tools that I carry. First I'll show you the outside of the bag. Alright, so I'll explain everything. A good buddy of mine gave me this here. Some adjustables, some wide jaw. Come in handy. I got a temperature probe, small screwdriver, checking temperature for the water or inside of reaching, so you don't gotta keep opening the door. These here are some Alligator Pliers, or made by Nipex. These, I believe they're the 6-inch or 6.5 inch. They work really good. They're called the Nipex Cobras. They clamp down on the pipe. Really good pliers. I got a second adjustable, made in the USA. Not too many tools say that these days. Sometimes you need two, like a back wrench. I got some leak lock for valve caps and king valve caps or whatever. Let's see here on the side. By the way, this tool bag was maybe about $20. I got this little tool pouch here. This is separate, and I've attached it. I got a caliper checking diameter on shafts or bearings or copper pipe, whatever. Paint marker and a permanent marker. I like to date my compressors, any part that I change, mark the refrigerant in the system, whatever. This is what I do. Here I got miscellaneous, wire nuts, insulated female terminals, self-tapping 3/8, 5/16, 1/4 inch, couple valve caps, fuses, alligator clamps for my meter probes. That's that. I got some nylog, mini Crescent Wrench for taking off valve cap. Comes in handy. See, now you can see this pouch didn't really come with it. I just put it on there, and some fender washers, nuts and bolts, and for taking off evaporator fan blades, for on walk-ins, whatever. These are T-handle Allen keys, my 3 most common sizes, electrical tape, tape measure. This usually doesn't stay there. I usually take it off. Here, let's see, here I got my 2 stubbies, my high and low side. So maybe I go for a basic service call, drain line, or back capacitor, whatever, condenser fan motor. I like to throw these on, check the charge real quick. I got digital gauges. I check superheat, subcool, but sometimes when I'm in a hurry, at least I want to check the charge. I don't want to walk away without checking the charge. So, also I keep them with caps, keep them sealed up. I got this 90 attachment, 90 degree attached to the drill. Sometimes the drill doesn't fit. I got a 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. Keep them ordered. I got my Klein wire strippers. I'm kind of due for a new pair. They're getting dull on me. Originally, this tool bag used to be one big pocket. In my nut drivers, they'll just be all lean into the side and stuff like that. So I put these copper pipes, and I'll put a nut and bolt to hold it in place. So I like it. This here's my 12-volt flashlight, really bright. It's the same battery as my drill, so I rotate them if one goes dead. With some duck strap or duck hanging strap, whatever you guys like to call it. Cut a little piece for the belt clip to fit. So anyways, that's that. I got the brush, the good old brush. I got an inspection mirror, thermometer, a probe thermometer. I got a 1/4 inch drive there, the drain dog. Got a torque valve core screwdriver, works great. 1/4" extension. In the drill, I keep the 5/16. Here's a thermostat screwdriver. There's different sizes in there. Really small, works great for thermostats and small screws. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really small. This is my go-to thermostat screwdriver. Well, in here I got a 9mm extension. It's the deep socket. I use this mainly for taking off the nuts on a stud mount condenser fan motor. The 4 nuts that are in the back, I zip them right off with this thing. They're 9mm. I got a headlamp. I use it all the time. Keeps my hands free. I got a rag. Milwaukee 11-in-1. We got some diamond pliers. Got some side cutters, dikes, a level, installing thermostats or whatever. Maybe I'm putting a piece of copper. I want it to look nice and straight. Here I got my meter. I use a UEI. Works great. I like how the screen is split. I can check the amperage and volts at the same time. I can monitor both, maybe on a motor or whatever. This is a bulb solution. I check my valve cores anytime I take my gauges off. Down in here, I have this here. I got some needle probes, some alligator jumper wires. Maybe I got to jump out a pressure switch or call the thermostat. You know, make the unit kick on, a package unit or whatever. Right here, that's a 1-inch coupling, and it holds this stubby screwdriver in there perfect. This is a Klein 6-in-1 stubby. I got a 1/4" drive extension. Here I got a 1/2 and a 7/16 nut driver. And what I got here and there is that. Here, I don't know if you can see in there. There, I kind of made shift. This is Gorilla Glue. This here is really good. I got some zip ties or tie straps. This here's a hacksaw blade for cutting armor flex and stuff. Works really good. I gotta find a better place to put these, but I don't want to get rid of them, so I keep them in my tool bag. I like to have them on me. Sometimes I have to adjust the motor, to adjust the belt or whatever. They work great. Take out compressors or whatever. What else I got here? I got here a temperature clamp for my UEI meter. You know, I could check superheat and subcool real quick with a clamp and my stubbies. You know, if I'm in a hurry, I could always go to the truck and get the digitals, but you know, on a quick call, I throw this on there. This is my little 3-amp popper. Seeing why the fuse blew. You know, put that on there, run a test before I put a new fuse. Here I got Allen keys. This is my 1/4" socket set. Goes up to 9/16. I got 1/2, 1/4", 3/8, stuff like that down in there. I got quite a few in there. Take off motors or compressors or you know, whatever. Let's see. I got a magnetic tray and a cone, blown out drain lines or flushing out lines or whatever. Comes in handy. So I mean, my tool bag, it holds a lot of stuff. It's not too heavy, but I feel, you know, everybody has their own preference. So these are things I like to keep. Oh, also I have some tags. Maybe I worked on a unit and we gave the customer a price or a quote. So I leave a little story why the unit's down, why it's, you know, turned off, or what's going on with it, or whatever. So I leave a little tag on the unit. And that's pretty much my tool bag. Before there used to be pockets all inside these 3 rows. here, but I cut them all out and I modified them my way. As you can see, I modified this tool bag quite a bit. You know, I got this there, but anyways, I like it. So this is my tool bag. If you like it, maybe get some ideas, modify your own. So if you like it, you like it. If you don't, hey, you don't. Everybody has their own opinions. Alright.